In today's session, we're going to take a look at the capabilities to mass update report caster schedules in WebFOCUS. So this is for a very special person asking me this question today. I'm going to share it with all of you. So actually, I got a bunch of schedules here in Report Caster that I set up. So they're sitting in my workspace. And I know my email address recently changed, and I want to update all the schedules belonging to a specific user. Of course, you have to be an administrator to do it. But if you're an administrator, you can go to the administration console, Report Caster. In the Report Caster, there's a very nice feature called Global Updates. Global Updates allows you to update certain elements of your Report Caster jobs. So there's a bunch of things like updating the email server, the FTP server, the email addresses, the email from, library, data server, notification type. So there's a bunch of things you could use to do a mass update on. So email, for example, is a very standard one. So in my case, my old email address is this one, my typical email address. Now that we're part of the Cloud Software Group, I want to go for my new email address. So let's add my new email address in here. And I want to update all my report schedules from this one to this one email address. Again, same can be done for the other attributes in here. Just hit update. It's getting you a warning. No, I don't want to do any Windows updates right now. Thank you, Microsoft. So I want to change all those email addresses now. Let's do it. You see, it was checking a few things. So it's trying to look for the distribution targets. So it's updating a bunch of different tables for that email addresses. So it's also going to update address books and other things. So click on OK. It's done. I can close it here or do more updates if needed. So now moving back to my schedule. So let's go to the workspaces. There are my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 schedules. And if we open them up, go to the edit mode, then one is going to be changed. So you're going to go to distribution. There's my email distribution. And in here, we now have my new email address. Simple and easy way to do mass updates in case you need to manage things like, for example, people changing their email addresses, people getting assigned to a new role, so they have to, these schedules have to be sent to a different person. Easy and simple and straightforward way to do that kind of capability. Same again, of course, if you look at the distribution thing in here, very easy to do. So let's cancel that one. So we change the information in here. That's all we need. Of course, we change it. We could also revert it back the same way. Again, keep in mind that capability is hidden in your configuration, administration console, report caster, and there's the global update capability. Again, available for a bunch of different elements in your schedules. Again, keep in mind things like the email server and others might be stored or will be stored in different of your procedures. So just changing those kind of things is going to require you to run those updates to make it easier really to get to the latest version of those elements. Okay, if you liked the session, yeah, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.